Hare Krishna friends. What Bhagavad Gita says about the caste system. Let's take a look on this shlok. Chapter number 4, verse number 13. चतुर्वर्णे मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विधेयं कर्ताम् अव्ययम्। प्रकृति के तीनों गुणों तथा उनसे संबंध कर्म के अनुसार मेरे द्वारा मानव समाज के 4 विभाग रचे गए। यद्यपि मैं इस व्यवस्था का सृष्टा हूँ, किंतु तुम यह जान लो कि मैं इतने पर भी अव्यय और अकर्ता हूँ। So, Bhagavan is clearly mentioning that caste system should not be divided on birth, but it should be based on the a man's virtue, his qualification, and his action. Right? So it should not be based on the birth. It should not be like that Brahman son should be a Brahman, businessman son should be a businessman, soldier son should be a soldier, or worker class son should be a worker. So it should be based on the his quality. Okay, if suppose for example a child born in Brahman class should not be called as a Brahmin until and unless he himself has not proved to be a Brahman. So like if उसने अगर ब्राह्मण क्लास में जन्म लिया है, जब तक कि वो अपने को प्रूफ ना करे, he should not be called as Brahmin. And same for vice versa. If you take an example of a child born in worker class cannot be called as or cannot be treated as worker class if suppose he has a quality of all brahmical activities, he is a qualities and he choose to be a profession of Brahman, he should be called as Brahman. Okay, he should not be treated as worker because he has all the qualities of Brahmin. So Bhagavad Gita is saying that caste system should be based on the action, profession, and the qualification of the human being. Okay, so thank you so much. Hare Krishna.